Tokens are super interesting. They usually don't have their own blockchain. Instead, they're built on top of existing ones, like Ethereum is a
Yeah,
really common one.
right.
And the cool thing is they can represent almost anything. It could be a share in some new project or the right to use a service or even like digital art, non-fungible tokens, NFTs. You've probably heard of those.
Yeah, definitely.
So yeah, that really opens up what you can do with the underlying blockchain tech way beyond just sending money around. Things like decentralized finance, DeFi, or digital collectibles.
Got it. And there's one more category that seems to be getting a lot of attention based on our sources, stable coins. What are they trying to achieve?
Ah, stablecoins. Well, they were basically created to tackle that wild price fluctuation you see with other cryptos, the extreme volatility.
Right, the ups and downs.
Exactly. So stablecoins try to keep a stable price. Often they do this by holding reserves, like actual dollars. The sources mention Tether USDT. As an example, it aims to stay pegged 1-to-1 with the US dollar.
So they're like a bridge
Mm.
between the crypto world and traditional money.
That's a great way to put it, yeah. They act as a kind of stable anchor or a bridge within this often very volatile digital ecosystem. Makes it easier to move value around without worrying about the price crashing or soaring overnight.
Okay, all right, so we've got the what and the different flavors. But the next big question, and the sources dig into this,
Oh,
where do they actually come from? How are new coins made in this decentralized system? They talk about mining. Sounds intense.
it is pretty intense, yeah. Mining, especially for coins like Bitcoin that use what's called proof of work, well, it involves these really powerful computers. They're all competing, basically racing, to solve these incredibly complex mathematical puzzles.
A race.
Yeah. And the first computer to find the solution gets to add the next block, a bundle of recent transactions to the blockchain. And here's the kicker. As a reward for doing that work, they get newly created coins.
Ah, okay, so that's how new Bitcoin gets created.
Exactly. And the sources point out this dual function mining isn't just about making new coins. It's also the mechanism that secures the whole network. It makes it incredibly hard and expensive for anyone to cheat or tamper with the transaction history. It's this clever but very resource-hungry way to maintain decentralized security.
And you mentioned resource hungry. That's a big point, right? The electricity, the computing power
Well,
involved.
absolutely. It's a major factor. Significant energy consumption, powerful hardware needed. It's a key characteristic and sometimes a criticism of proof of work systems like Bitcoin's.